Students, today I am going to teach you the theory part of class 10 trigonometry as simply as possible. So if you read my notes, you don't have to read any theory part from the book at all. So let me start. First, you have to know how many trigonometric ratios are there and what are trigonometric ratios. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, wait, let me fix this up. And sine and cos are like best friends. Tan and cot are like best friends, and sec and cosec are like besties. Why they are best friends, I'll tell you later. Sine and cosec are related, and how they are related? They are like brothers and sisters. Cos and sec are also like brothers and sisters. Tan and cot are like brothers and sisters. So tan and cot are not only best friends but also siblings, as you can see. And there's a small thing you have to learn, that tan theta equals to sine theta by cos theta. You have to learn this. So now I'm gonna tell you why it is needed and where it is needed. So this is a right angle triangle. As you can see, the angle B is of 90 degree, and the angle A is a given angle, and we have assumed it at theta. So you have to learn which side is called the perpendicular and which side is called the base first. So the perpendicular side is always opposite to the given angle. Suppose the theta is the given angle here, and the perpendicular side P, which is opposite to the angle A, which is CB, it is perpendicular, and the base is always adjacent to the given angle theta and is in 90 degree with the perpendicular. The hypotenuse is the longest angle of the triangle. Now let's go to the explanation part. Here, if you are told to find the sine of a angle theta, you just have to find the ratio of the length of the perpendicular to the length of the hypotenuse, P by H. P stands for perpendicular and H stands for hypotenuse. And if you are asked to find the cosine, which is cos of a given angle theta, you have to find the base, the ratio of the base to the hypotenuse, length of the base to the length of the hypotenuse. Similarly, tan theta equals to perpendicular by base, cot theta equals to base by perpendicular, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base, and cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Now, I told you earlier that sine and cosec are like brothers and sisters. Cos and sec are like brothers and sisters. Tan and cot are like brothers and sisters. Now I'm going to tell you why they are like brothers and sisters. So if you find the reciprocal of sine theta, you will get cos theta, and vice versa. If you find the reciprocal of cos theta, you will get sec theta, and vice versa. If you find the reciprocal of tan theta, you will get cot theta, and vice versa. And I'm gonna show you one trick how to memorize these stuffs. Okay, so you can see this sentence. You have to memorize this sentence. Some people have curly brown hair through proper brush. Here S stands for sine, P stands for perpendicular, H stands for hypotenuse. See, some people have sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. It's all falling into place. Curly brown hair, CBH, through proper brush, TPB, and you can automatically find cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta by finding the reciprocals. Now let's move on to the next section. Here are some standard angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. When suppose you are given to find the value of sine theta when theta is equal to 0 degree, you have to just memorize this one. Just memorize the sine part. Wait, let me fix the moving page. You have to just memorize the sine part, and you can find the others automatically. Let me show you how. Suppose you have to learn this one: sine 0 degree is equal to 0, sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Now I'll show you a trick how to find the cos theta. Cos theta, when theta is equal to 0 degree, you have to just reverse this. Reverse the 90 degree in sine. See, it's all falling into place. Cos 30 degree is equal to sine 60 degree, which is similar to this one. Cos 45 degree and sine 45 degree are similar. Cos 30 degree and sine 60 degree are similar. Cos 90 degree and sine 0 degree are also similar. And you can already you can find the tan by using this formula I have shown you earlier, which is tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. This formula you can see here. Let me focus. Yes. Focus camera. Focus. Okay, it's focused now. See, sine theta is 0 degree. Sine theta at 0. Sine theta when theta is equal to 0 is 0. Cos theta when theta is equal to 0 is 1. And tan theta when theta is equal to 0 is 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Tan theta at theta is equal to 30 is equal to half by root 3 by 2. Half by root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled and you will get 1 by root 3. Here is 1 by root 3. And similarly, you can find the other values of tan theta at different angles too. Cot theta is just the inverse of tan theta because they are like best friends and also siblings. Like you have to infinity at the extreme end will on the right will come to the extreme end on the left, and 1 by root 3 is similar to 1 by root 3, root 3, root 3, 1, 1. Sec theta is just the inverse of cos theta. For example, I have shown you that cos theta is equal to let me focus. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. And also, if you bring the cos in here and sec in here and cos in here, you will get sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. Why is it so blurry? Come on. So we can find sec theta by using this formula. Sec theta, let my camera focus. Okay, it's focused now. Sec theta when theta is equal to 0 degree. Here, sec theta when theta is equal to 0 degree, which means sec 0 degree. Sec 0 degree. Sec 0 degree, which is equals to 1 by cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree. What is the value of cos 0 degree? 1. 1 by 1 equals to 1. And you can similarly find the rest of the angles too. And similarly, since sine and cosec are like brothers and sisters, you can find the values of cosec with a given angle by the reciprocal formula. And now I'm going to end the theory part by some important formulas. These three are the universally important formulas. You have to always remember it and keep this in your mind. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. And cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. The explanation I'll do in the coming classes, and in the next class I'll do the sums, the problems of the trigonometry. Thanks for watching. Bye.